the theme for the month of May 2024 for the air sign Aquarius is isolation. So, ang ibig sabihin nito, kapag nararamdaman nyo na very chaotic na or there is too much noise outside, madami kayong stress, madaming chaos, madaming negativity, maybe it's now time for you to isolate yourself. So, yung mapag-isa ka or seclude yourself from other people. Kasi when you isolate, that is the time na magkakaroon ka ng moment to self-reflect. Ano ba yung mga dapat kong gawin? Ano yung mga nagawa ko? Or ano yung mga future steps na gagawin ko? So, remember the theme for the month is isolation. So when you are feeling very chaotic or there's too much noise outside, remember to isolate. Or another term can be meditate, self-reflect. Okay, so it seems like for the month of May, for the air sign Aquarius, you would be feeling a lot of things, more on the heavy burdens, toxic side of the spectrum. And kasi lumabas yung the crosses, this is all about burdens. And it has something to do with opportunities about money. Yung mga darating sa'yo, this might be in the form of your career, or in your business. And parang you will be feeling a lot of emotions about this because very overwhelming. Yun yung sinasabi ng cards. It's too overwhelming for you. And masaya ka dahil nabibigyan ka ng opportunity pagdating sa pera. But the thing is, parang hindi mo na mapapansin sa sobrang dami mong dadalhin this May, you don't even have the time to even think about how you're feeling, or you don't even have the time to process what you are feeling. So again, in line with the theme, isolation, isipin mo, kapag chaotic na or there is too many sounds that is surrounding you, isolate yourself from the chaos. So, the next card that came out is the current, or this is you. Ikaw yan. And yun nga, like what I said a while ago, you will be feeling very out of control. Ikaw pa naman yung type ng tao na gusto na parang na-oversee lahat or nakikita lahat ng nangyayari. And you will be feeling out of balance, out of control. And this will be very hard for you kasi you're the type na sigurista. Gusto mo, pag sinubukan mo or sumugod ka sa isang bagay, alam mo na it will be parang in your control, or makokontrol mo yung bagay na ito, or alam mo yung ending na papabor sa'yo. Pero this time, this May, it would feel as if parang everything is out of balance. So, the next card that came out is the dog, and this is all about your loyalty. So, your loyalty is always with the family. Yun ang sinasabi ng cards. But it seems like this time around, masusubukan yung pagiging loyal mo sa pamilya. Yun ang sinasabi ng cards. Kasi this time around, you will feel as if there is pressure coming from your family. And this pressure would make you feel stress, and ang dami mong mararamdaman ng negative pagdating dito. And it would make you feel like parang bakit nila ako parang why are they controlling my life? Why are they doing this? and you would feel all the negative emotions. You would feel that there is fear in you. Yung emotions mo because you don't know what is happening, hindi mo alam kung bakit nila ginagawa ito sa'yo. Yun yung mararamdaman mo this May. And again, going back to the theme of the month, isolation. Remember that when you are feeling very chaotic, isolate yourself from the noises from the outside. Okay, so the last part here is the guidance for you this May, and the card that came out is the bouquet. And this is all about the gift, or bigyan mo yung sarili mo ng gift or present. And that present is self-love and self-care with the Four of Cups in the upright. So, ang ibig sabihin yan, isipin mo muna yung wellness mo. Wellness mo ang una, wellness mo ang priority. And with the Lover's card in the reverse, hiwalay, parang i-separate mo muna yung sarili mo. If nararamdaman mo, yung mga taong mahal mo, or mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo are very toxic, umiwas ka muna sa kanila para less stress sa buhay this May. And with the Eight of Pentacles in the reverse, ang sinasabi niyan, ah, you are the type kasi that you want to work smart. You don't want to work hard. But the thing is, ngayong May, you have to go through the needle hole. Yun ang sinasabi ng cards. You have to work hard this time in order for you to gain balance. So, it's not like with a snap of a finger, makukuha mo na lahat ng gusto mo. You have to work hard for the things that you need to accomplish this May. Hindi siya parang minamagic lang na isang kislap or isang kindat mo lang ay nandyan na. Kailangan mo magtrabaho.